Good morning. I'm Brian Lanham, one of the supervisors here at the Daviess County Transfer Station here in Owensboro.
I'm Jim Drury, the other supervisor at the transfer station.
We would just like to take a few minutes, show you guys around, show you what we do here at the transfer station and where your trash goes to after it leaves your home. If you'll look up here behind us, this is our building. It's 100 foot by 100 foot. When the trucks leave your house with your trash, they come across our scales, and then they back into this big building up here and dump it on the floor. Once that truck is unloaded, we will take our loader, shove it off into one of our semi trucks, load it, and ship it to the West Daviess County Landfill.
Our customers back into this building and unload all this wood, drywall, stuff that is removed from demolition debris, and it is also shoved onto our semi trucks and taken to the West Daviess County Landfill.
We're now inside the building where the waste is dumped, just waiting on a truck to pull in the tunnel. We'll give you guys an idea of the loading process here at the transfer station. The truck pulls in the tunnel down here behind me. Once he gets into position, he will radio the operator to that he's ready to go, and the loader operator will start pushing waste over into the truck. Once he gets it loaded, he'll notify by radio to the backhoe operator, and he will come in and mash down the truck so we can get the lids closed and get this load shipped on out to the landfill. We have moved out in the front of the transfer station now. If you look back here behind me, this is the truck we seen earlier inside being loaded, and they're about to finish him up, and he will be pulling out here shortly. We'll bring him out front here to the tarping area. We'll get him tarped up and ship him on out to the landfill.
We are down here at our scale house at the transfer station. This is where commercial, residential, and all vehicles are weighed in at. This is the inbound side, and the other side is the outbound side. We are at our convenience center where our residential trash is all brought in and dumped off. As you can see, we have a gentleman unloading a chair, but all residential trash is brought to this area. Here at the transfer station, we also accept air conditioners, refrigerators, anything with Freon in it for a $20 unit price, and after we accept them, they are taken to the landfill, and all the Freon is pumped out of them before we actually tear these apart and send them to the recycling metal center. This is our mechanics down here. They are servicing our equipment, and also behind them is our oil shed where we recycle all our oil. We have a closed drop-off station there.
We're now looking at the back field where we do a lot of yard waste disposal, concrete disposal, and this is also our location where we dump the field dirt we have just recently advertised. Start off by talking about the brush. We'll take whole limbs up to logs up to 24 inches in diameter.
This is where all the city dumps their wood chips. All the commercial tree trimmers will dump their wood chips. O'Brien Farms will come and get these wood chips, and he'll use them in his process. Late October, early November, we will clean this pad off, and we will start receiving leaves from the city and residents of the county. These leaves will be hauled to West Daviess County Landfill. They will put them through their cycling process where they will be turned into compost, and after it goes through the right temperature and everything, customers are able to go to the landfill and purchase this compost.
You can see our concrete pile, which we can take large pieces of concrete and we have a contractor come in under contract, and he'll grind that concrete into a usable size material that can be used for fill. We use a lot of that material on the base of roads and construction out at the landfill. The road department also uses some of it for around road pipes, anywhere they can bury it. It's just not a usable material for finish work, similar to our fill dirt. If you had an elevation you needed raised a few feet, it's excellent material for that, but again, it's just not the perfect material for finish work. Thank you guys for spending a few minutes of your time with us out here at the Daviess County Transfer Station in Owensboro, Kentucky. You can find any additional information on our website at www.daviessky.org. Look up the solid waste department. If you have any further questions that the website doesn't answer, feel free to give us a call, 270-688-8138. Thank you.